What if I told you vegan butcher shops exist? And what if I told you there is a vegan butcher shop in Las Vegas? There is. So I am here today at NoButcher, and on this episode of the Good Fork Bites, we are diving into what exactly a vegan butcher is, because what? Also, we're gonna learn how to make some of the meat, and obviously in Good Fork Bites true style, we're gonna chow down. We are here in the kitchen of NoButcher with co-owner Sebastian Mueller. Hello. What's a vegan butcher?
A vegan butcher is kind of similar like a regular butcher. We do proteins. They taste like meat, they look like meat, but they're all plant-based.
How do you butcher plants?
Well, it's mostly the protein that's in the plants. We're using wheat proteins. You can use soy proteins or other proteins. And then you add different spices, and then it all depends on how you treat and how you bake it to get to a certain texture and obviously a different taste as well.
What are we making today?
Today I'm going to show you how to do a vegan pepperoni. We call it no pepperoni. So yeah, we're starting with the wet ingredients first and put them in the blender. That's the wet part, and now we're putting in the dry part. What I was talking about in the beginning, it's the vegan with a plant-based protein. In this case, it's wheat protein, it's the gluten.
This will replicate what people would come to expect from the taste of pepperoni.
Exactly. And you have all these little bits and pieces in the pepperoni. All you gotta do now is put it all together.
Really, literally get your hands dirty in this.
Well, this is on a small scale. Obviously, we're putting it in a big mixer.
So we have got this pepperoni.
Okay, so we put it on a piece of aluminum foil,
Okay.
Bring it in shape a little bit, rolling it in, closing up the ends.
So it looks like a Tootsie Pop.
And this beauty goes in the oven. Okay, so an hour later, hour 10, ta-da, we take it out. So you see it's a little bit greasy,
Oh, wow.
the way it should be. Cut it open, see the garlic coming out.
Thank you, Sebastian, I appreciate
Okay,
it.
you're welcome.
I have no words. This is ridiculous, you all. This is so much vegan meat. This is the pepperoni I made, and obviously, wow, they have a lot of meats, but they also have a ton of salads. I'm not gonna lie, a little overwhelmed with all of this. There's a broccoli kale salad, Waldorf salad, potato salad, coleslaw, egg salad. I don't even know what to do with this situation because these are unreal. I think I need to try the sandwiches though. Like we haven't shown you enough, but NoButcher has 6 signature sandwiches. These are 4 of them. This is the Philly cheesesteak, the Italian, pulled pork, and then the no rib with pineapple on it. I don't know how you eat these sandwiches. I'm not gonna be graceful because let's face it, I am not the most graceful person, but I'm gonna try this Philly cheesesteak. I don't think I've ever had a Philly cheesesteak before I went vegan, so I don't know what they're supposed to taste like, but regardless, this is a really good sandwich. If you can't tell already, NoButcher has a massive selection of vegan meats, vegan beautiful deli sides, vegan sandwiches, and also vegan cheese. Like, I don't know how much more deli you can get than all of this. One of the only vegan butcher shops in the nation is here in Las Vegas, NoButcher. I mean, come check it out.